Hey guys, I'm just gonna do a video on my modified tool rest from a bench grinder. I didn't like the original tool rest because I found they were too small, and also I found that I didn't like that you couldn't raise or lower the tool rest, and you also couldn't angle them. So I made my own. Here's what they look like. I made one for each side. Here's what I did to make it. I'll just take it apart now. It's just got two bolts, one in the back, one back here, one up front. All it's made out of is a 4-inch long piece of 1-inch by 1/4-inch flat bar with a 2-inch long 5/16 groove cut into it. And then I've got a 5/16 hole in the end, and then a 5/16 nut welded onto that. And I also rounded the end on it. And all you do to put it on, you gotta make sure the nut's facing the grinding wheel, and you just drop the bolt in the front hole, the front existing hole. And then here's the other piece. All it is a piece of 2-inch long, 2-inch by 2-inch angle iron. And then I cut a groove into it. And this is just a bit wider than the grinding wheel. And then I cut it back 1/2 inch. And then for this plate here, all it is a piece of 1/8-inch thick by 1 1/8" flat bar, and I just cut it so it's flush at the end. And then I welded it on the back, and then in this corner here, I could have welded it on the other side, but I thought it was strong enough without that. And I couldn't put any weld here because otherwise it would interfere with this bracket here. So, oh, and that's a 5/16 hole. So all you do is just drop the bolt in. Okay. Loosen it off. And then, see, you can raise and lower the tool rest and then move it in and out or angle it. Just loosen it off a bit. And this thing works great for grinding chisels because you can get a perfectly flat side on both sides. All you have to do, set your chisel flush with the grinding wheel, then bring the tool rest up to the chisel and tighten them both down. I haven't had any problems with this back bolt loosening off and the tool rest going down as long as you tighten it up enough. Okay, I'm putting my safety glasses on so I don't get sparks in my eyes. And then we'll just turn the grinder on. And all you do, just set the chisel on the tool rest, and you just slide the chisel side to side. That simple. And then flip it over. You can do the other side. Do a bit more. You can also use this grinding rest. It works great for grinding lathe tools because you can get just the right angle and you don't get facets in it. Here, look at that. Perfectly flat. Same on the other side, perfectly flat. No facets. Turned out really good. That's all in this video. Just wanted to show you guys my tool rest I made for my bench grinder. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.